Hello.
Hi guys.
My name is Tatiana.
My name is Angel.
And we're the Makers HQ. We are a married couple who bought a sublimation machine and we are testing it on as many things as we possibly can.
Yes.
Okay, so we haven't been around for the past couple of weeks, but we're back and we wanted to thank everyone who's been following us.
So many people.
I know,
this is amazing.
It's been so nice.
Like I still remember when we did the video, and I repeat myself again, like we had 4 subscribers. I even made a video that said 4.
Exactly.
And it's like, oh my God, you know, so.
It's more than 4.
Yes,
so
thank you so much.
Thank you. And if this is your first time, I hope you enjoy yourself, okay? If you have any questions about today's subject, which is a calendar, please do not hesitate to put them in the comments, all right? Yes. And so, like I said, today's video is a calendar, and I think that it's a good way for us to start the year. It's super simple and easy.
You don't have to go crazy.
Exactly.
Yeah. The difference is that calendars, most people, they print the calendars out. They make it online and they print it out. In this case, because we have the sublimation machine, we want to show you how to do it through sublimation.
Exactly.
If you happen to have a machine, you can just start creating calendars.
Exactly. And before we get started, we wanted to say that today's video is dedicated to Angel's mom, because Angel's mom creates these amazing calendars each year for everyone in the family.
Yes.
And she puts all her pictures. It's so cute.
The cat. Right, so she creates she's been doing it for like 10 years now. She goes online, she asked me for pictures, right? She asked us, like, send me a picture of you guys together and blah blah blah. So I send her pictures, and then I know she's working on this throughout the whole year. And then at the end of the year, each family, which is my brother's family, me, and even herself.
Yes. For her birthday, her birthday month, she puts herself.
Exactly.
For my birthday month, she puts me.
Yeah, they are really cute. They are really nice, and each one has so you can leave notes. The birthdays of family members. They are very detailed calendars, and I was looking at it the other day because January 1st we put it on the wall, and I was like, this is like so smart. I mean, it can't go wrong. Sweet. You just do it for family members, for events. Even if you have a business and you want to like give your customers calendars, which a lot of people do.
Yes, exactly. Especially like, for instance, those magnet calendars.
You can sublimate
exactly,
it
because they have a coating to them, so it's very simple.
You know, so she was the inspiration for this video, and a different way. This is what I was saying. She prints them out. Us, we're gonna do it through sublimation. So, Mom, here we go.
Gracias, Vega. So that's it. So if this video brings you any value at all, please consider
liking and subscribing.
Exactly. And we're going to get to it now. Yes. All right? Okay, so the first thing that we did was we went over to Canva and looked for some calendars. So we wanted to have something that was pretty simple, and we chose this one, which has a good amount of space and everything is cool and clear. And so we downloaded that one, and then we just went over to Photoshop. And so the first thing that we did after that, we removed all the excess information that we didn't want because we knew that it would be too small when we resized it, and aligned everything, making sure that it was all the same size, because if you do want to put holes into each sheet, you have to make sure that everything is at the same size. Then just go over and just copy the month and change the name of the month, made sure that everything was aligned. Finally, we had downloaded some pictures, and we just went and got them and then just inserted them in, resized them, and then that's it. It was ready to be printed onto the sublimation paper. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna do it on paper. This paper is 300 grams. It's very it's a cardstock.
Yes. So I went to the paper store and I chose a paper that had some kind of like coat on it. You can even use photo paper if you want to, the shiny one. I decided to do it on matte because I don't really like the shiny paper. And this is a tiny calendar. So we have 2 calendars. This one is gonna be on here, a full sheet, right? So you can just put it anywhere, hang it anywhere. And then the other one is gonna be a tiny calendar like this. But like we're gonna do the full sheet and then we're gonna cut it in 12 pieces, and it's gonna be a tiny calendar. But the other paper is white. This one is like cream. It has a shade of cream color. So that's what we're gonna do with this one.
Yes.
Okay.
And also, we do want to note that it is just a regular cardstock paper. Like Angel said, it does have some kind of coating to it, but it doesn't have a very like apparent coating. And also, like I'm sure if you sublimated it on paper that was made for sublimation, you would see brighter results. But like we said, we are sublimating purposely on as many things as possible. So we wanted to see, since we've already done the cardstock videos, we wanted to see how it would end up looking on just a paper that had a coat to it, and if it's usable, right?
Yes.
So that's today.
Yes.
All right. So let's try this.
So I'm gonna put it like this. No need. I don't know if we need to. No need to.
I wouldn't tape it.
No, it's fine. It's straight. And so the temperature is at 200 Celsius or 395 Fahrenheit.
Yes.
For 60 seconds. Okay. 60 seconds should be fine.
Oh, did it move when you put it?
No, it always looks like it moves, but it didn't move.
Okay.
It's very straight. Okay, so we'll see you in 60 seconds.
Or less.
So 3, 2, 1, boom. So let's see what happened.
Slowly trick it out.
Hi. Yes, use it slowly.
As you just trick it out.
It came out super nice, of course. What else did you expect, Angelito?
Oh, it moved.
Like this. So
it came out nice, very pretty.
Super nice. And
it
remember,
did leave a lot of ink on it because it is a paper.
It's a paper. It's a matte finish, and also it's brown, beige. So you can expect like super bright colors. Did
it move, or is this part of the design? I can't tell.
It might have moved when
when we lifted it without the tape.
You know, and also there is I know I downloaded this calendar from Canva, right? But it has a typo here.
It says December with an S.
With an S.
December.
So I just saw it. I didn't know what's going on. Okay, that's okay. So this is the result. So now we're gonna do the other one on white paper.
Exactly.
And we're gonna tape it this time.
Yes. And we just want to remind you that if this video brings you any value at all, please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. All right?
Yes. Okay, so this is the second calendar, and this one, this is like this, right? So you have the 12 months. So in my head, I wanted to do something like a theme, right? So I decided that I was gonna do something for either a bakery or for just people who like sweets, right? So there are a bunch of like sweet stuff, like pancakes and cakes and more cakes, a lot of sweets. So we're gonna do it on this paper, which is the same paper as the other one, but this one is whiter. It's just white. And we're gonna do two, this one and another one, so we can cut it.
Exactly. And then we're just gonna tape it this time just with one piece of tape because it moved when we took off the sheet.
Yes. Okay, so here we go. Like this. Ding. Right in the middle. Same temperature, same amount of time. Nothing changed. And this one. 2, 1, and boom. So easily, happily, there you go. And we waited like 2 seconds, but this time we were smart. Oh yes.
Nice. So pretty.
Super nice. See, like this. So this is the first sheet. It's fantastic. It's super nice. Okay. Now we're gonna do the second one, and we're gonna cut it and show you how it looks.
Okay, so these are the results of the calendars This one moved a little bit when we took it off, so if you want to be cautious, just tape it. It's not a big deal, all right?
Yes.
But it turned out super cute. I really like it. And I think that if, again, the paper had been something with more coating, it would have been a brighter result. But I like it. It's super cool. And it's a nice thing that you can just put like in a, you know, one of those binders in the front, or like just on top of your desk, just so you can see like a very simple calendar.
You can do it on different materials also.
For sure.
Like wood, paper, acrylic, anything. But in this case, it's to show you that like you can buy a bunch of paper and start like sublimating calendars on.
And also, we didn't put our work here, but you could definitely put your own work here and sell it.
Yeah,
why not?
Exactly.
Okay.
And then the tiny ones, these are the tiny ones, right? Like this, and then like this. They're like, I don't know, like when you play with cards when you're a kid. And you
I would call it a pocket calendar.
Yeah, pocket calendar. So you can. I didn't do anything extra. I didn't do anything like putting it together. I just decided that I can, with these two tiny rings, I would just put them like, I made a hole. I will make a hole, right here, somewhere here, and put it like this. Wait, give me 1 second. Something like this, right, with the hole, and then put two. But that's my idea. I don't think it's gonna work so much, but
I don't think it's not gonna work. I think that just we didn't leave enough room for like the rings.
For the hole, yeah.
But then that's it. Because if you wanted to have something where you needed to like remove each sheet, it's like basically one of those tearaway calendars, right?
Exactly.
Each month you remove one, and then that's it. And then again, this is super cute if you just need, we don't know why you would need anything like this or like that, but if you do need a small calendar, then this is a very good, and I said I don't know why you would need a small calendar. No,
I mean, we don't need you have a tiny desk and you need a calendar, you just put it next to you.
Exactly, as I'm like, I don't know why you would do this.
Yes, I love it, It's super nice, it's super nice.
Very cute.
And if you do it on a shiny photo paper, maybe a shiny coating on it, it will just look like even better, right?
Exactly.
But this is just to show you, like, if you have a business, you can create calendars from just sublimation.
Exactly.
You just do a bunch, and
that's it.
And that's it.
Right?
Yes.
So we would definitely recommend calendars.
And do it now because it's the beginning of the year.
Exactly. And we thank you for being here. And again, if you want to leave us any comments, if you've done this before and you want to give us suggestions, please do, because we're always doing things over. And like and subscribe. That's usually what you say.
That's me. It's okay. It's okay. Like and subscribe.
Exactly. And again, thank you for watching, and we shall see you next time, all right?